Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today, I'm super duper excited. We are actually going to be designing for the first time in Creative Fabrica's studio, and we are in graduation season, y'all. And so we are going to create and design these templates that are inside of Creative Fabrica Studio. So what I did was I created inside of the studio, and then I actually printed them out on cardstock as well as glossy photo paper, so you can see how amazing these designs are. And yes, I have different sizes because once you download them, you can resize them and print them out. So I'm so excited to actually be designing inside of Creative Fabrica Studio. But look how adorable these turned out. This is the glossy photo paper. This is the cardstock. So I'm going to show you how I use an already designed template inside of, I call it template inside of Creative Fabrica's studio. And then we just played around with it in design. So let's just jump right into the video. Let go. Now, dreamers, we are back inside of Creative Fabrica Studio. And if you have not seen my first video, you want to check it out because we thoroughly went through this amazing design software. Okay, but today it is all about graduation. So what we're going to do is we are going to check out some templates. Okay, so we are going to search for some graduation templates. I am going to go inside of templates and we're going to type in graduation. Okay, once I typed in graduation, we are going to take a look. They have a ton of different graduation invitations, designs, etc. So we're not going to start from scratch today. We are going to take one of these graduation templates and just edit it and design it up. Okay, so let's see which one we want to use for today's project. I am going to start off with this graduation template here. Okay, so as you can see, the template opens up inside of the designing space and it shows there are 16 layers for this template. It breaks everything down and you can see all of the layers. It shows you if you want more templates, more Spark AI, graphics, text, elements, photos, background, patterns, uploads, drawing, or help. Okay, and then it has everything at the top. Like I said, I went over this in the previous video, so you can check that video at your leisure. So what we're gonna do for right now is we see the width and the height and everything here. I'm going to exit out of that because I do not need that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with some of these layers to see what's connected, etc. Because once again, this was a pre-made template and it's really beneficial because the only thing we have to do is change the name. So for this person, we're going to put her name as Nicole, and this is going to be her graduation party. As I go ahead and select the different things, we have more menu options popping up. Okay, so I want to change a few of these things for me. So once you get in a template, it's really cool because the only thing you have to do is change everything up. So we're going to change the address and anything else that you want to change in the template. It's really cool for people who don't know how to create and beginners. Okay, once you have the words and everything the way that you like it, I'm going to go to uploads and then I'm going to import a photo. So these are some of my AI as well as some of my clip art, and we're just going to upload it into the designing space. to upload files, you can drag and drop, or you could go to upload files and it'll give you a section to do that. The cool thing about templates are that they just give you an idea to start. And so what I want to do is I want to add a little bit more to this design. Like I added the image of the person. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a square so that I can add some depth and dimension in the back of it. And then what I did was I did use the color picker so that I can get the exact color from the blue that's in the image so that it can look really good. And then I'm going to go ahead, layer that, readjust the words, and I'm even going to change the font of graduation to be more of my design style. One of the things I really like in this design studio is the layers panel. I think that's extremely dope because it breaks down every single layer that's in your design. I really love that aspect. Okay, so I just showed you how you could take a simple template inside of Creative Fabrica Studio and customize it for your special needs. Let's go ahead and name and save our image. So at the top where it says untitled, we're going to go ahead and type out grad invite, and we're going to save this so we can come back to it if we need to. At the top panel, those 3 lines allow you to create a new design, open recent designs, import files, import from clip art, save, download, view your projects, browse apps. It has settings, license, and help. These will be very helpful on your designing journey because you will have to do these things throughout your journey. So I just wanted to show you that part of the menu panel because it's extremely important inside of Studio. Okay, so this was super cute for Nicole, and now we have the hang of it. I am so excited to actually be designing inside of Studio. I am really excited about learning more about Creative Fabrica Studio, and although it is a little bit of a learning curve, this is going to be absolutely amazing. So now let's go ahead and download this cute image. We're going to go to 3 lines at the top, that menu, and press download. It's giving us the option to share, export, or download. We want to download. Now it gives us a few download options. We can remove the background, flip horizontally, download digital is best for PNGs and JPEGs, and print is best for PDF. So I'm going to select PDF because I'm printing this. And as you see, it downloaded. Now we could go ahead and print it out. You guys, look how amazing it turned out. I think that they turned out absolutely stunning. And this will be a great addition to your graduation festivities for your senior. Okay, so if you need any type of help with designing, you don't know where to start, Creative Fabrica Studio will be a great place for you to start because it can help you out. As you saw, it was super easy and super fun to make and create. So these turned out so stinking adorable. Please leave any questions down below if you have any questions about anything, and I'll be sure to get back to you and assist you as best I can. But we about to be designing, y'all. How do you love it so far? Drop a heart down below if you absolutely loved it. Make sure you check out the link down below so you can check out Creative Fabrica Studio for yourself and get to designing. And just for a quick refresher, I know we did a wonderful job inside of the designing space, but I also just want to give you an overview of Studio as well. So we are transforming our designing with Creative Fabrica Studio. Look at all of these wonderful things that you can create. You can unlock unlimited creativity with so many different ideas like AI. There's something called Spark AI that is available inside of Studio. It will transform your designs to something extremely amazing. All right, we have different levels of Studio. You can dive into so many different templates like we did today, and they are tailored for both beginners and design mavens. Okay, so if you're a beginner or you're advanced, you can dive into this designing process and have a blast. Then the thing that stands Creative Fabrica Studio apart is the seamless licensing. It is for commercial excellence. So a lot of people always ask, can I use these things for commercial use? In Creative Fabrica Studio, yes, you absolutely can. And this ranges from your templates, your graphics, all types of things. It makes it very versatile and easy if you want to dive into print on demand and all type of commercial ventures. You do not have to worry about it with Studio. When I say game changer, this is a complete game changer. They also have a Studio community. You can browse all type of templates, fonts. Seriously, look at these graphics, images. It is absolutely amazing. Studio is for crafters like us, educators like me, business owners like us, and print on demand. You can use Studio for anything that you can create. It's absolutely amazing. So I did want to give you a quick refresher of what Studio is so we can dive in and we can create, y'all. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dreamer is the handle. TikTok, Do Dreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.